Apparently, the three of us are ready to hear the word boyfriend.
All right, Ellen and Katya are here, and they're showing us 2 of 3 t-shirts that you're gonna get from Denim & Company tonight at the most crazy, ridiculous price. Every one of us was like jumping for joy. This is 20 bucks a t-shirt.
Well, and it's the So Soft jersey fabric, so it's a rayon cotton spandex blend that feels delightful on skin. They're all the same, just different colors within the $60 3-pack. So you're always gonna get the round neck, and you're always going to get a 3/4 sleeve. So wear now and wear later. And when you get 3 for $60, $20 t-shirts. Stock up. So this one right here is blue, slate, and rose. Blue, slate, and rose. Then you're going to find yellow, light gray, and chambray. So, I mean, we're like moving into spring, right?
Yeah.
Then we've got our teal. Alpine Frost is a really light green color. And then this is where you get a true white t-shirt.
This is what you saw in Katya. That's what you saw in Ellen. And then you're also going to get that as well. Everybody should get this combination.
Exactly,
it's beautiful.
right?
It's beautiful.
Now, maybe you love to stock up on your black t-shirts with your red lip and your pearls and your diamonds. This is your black, your orchid, and your pine. And I call out, this is the only way to get a solid black t-shirt, too, in this group. And then this one right here
I love this one.
is rose, navy, and a cream that we refer to as tapioca. Now, the idea of doubles when it comes to t-shirts, triples when it comes to t-shirts, it's always a huge hit here at QVC. I remember last year when we did a 3-pack, it flew out on day 1, and this is the only order of the year. But if you feel these when they come home, do you feel the difference out there to you already?
They're like brushed is what the way that they feel, almost like peach skin-esque, but of course done in that beautiful jersey that you know and love. $15 gets them home to try out. None of us could believe this price.
For $60. There's stores that charge you more than $60 for a t-shirt.
And they're, you know, when you think about them, they're not just t-shirts, they're great tops.
Yes.
Right, because they do have that 3/4 length sleeve. In fact, you're seeing it on the ladies. There's a beautiful drape and feel, whether you're tucking them in or wearing them out. They have that perfect length to them as well. A 675608 is your item number for that. Now, here's the thing.
Yes, what's the thing?
We've got color choices. You want to pick them now while we have them in your size.
Want to say their names one more time?
Yes.
We are busy on the phone lines. There's fewer than 1,500 in each color combo. Only order of the year. $20 t-shirts when you get 3 for $60. So blue, slate, and rose, and I love that rose.
Yeah.
It's a new take on rose. Yellow, light gray, and chambray.
So spring and fun.
Then you have teal, alpine frost, and white. Already a huge hit. I knew it would be
everybody should get that.
Right?
Everybody should get that one.
Black, orchid, pine. And then finally, I love this one.
Everybody should get this.
This is also what we're calling rose. I realize there's 2 now that have the word rose in it, but this is a different rose. Rose, navy, tapioca.
Can you imagine this with blazers?
Can you imagine it with a sparkly cardigan?
A sparkly cardigan, can you imagine it?
And just to remind everybody, there's not different silhouettes in the 3-pack. There's
They're all
the
kind
round
of like,
neck, all the 3/4.
All right, so listen, continue placing your orders for that. That's very, very popular. A 675608 is your item number. Check out your